Good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm good, thank you.
Excellent. Can you tell us the name of the company and a little bit about it?
Our company name is TPC Technology, based in Dubai. Yeah, we are in the market since 27 years. Yeah, since 1995. Yeah, we are dealing with Samsung, Xiaomi, Apple, and other brands as well.
As a
Yeah.
sponsor of Z Empire Reconnect, what do you wish to achieve?
Actually, we are very happy to be. I'm familiar with Zimpire, and yeah, we like the place. We like the beach.
So you think it's a good idea that we placed
Yeah, it's a
this
great
event on the
idea.
beach?
It's a great idea. Yeah, about the exhibition place.
That's excellent. What
Yeah,
did you think of our networking assistants?
it's great. It's based network, and we get a lot of benefit from it.
So you
Yeah,
found them helpful
for sure.
because they're directing you to new opportunities, basically.
Yes, if not, why we will attend. So for
Exactly.
sure.
And they make it easy for you, right?
Exactly, they make life easy. Mr. Sam is making life is easy.
And at Empire and
Yeah,
Sam,
the
of
Empire.
course, yes.
Yeah.
So do you think we will be seeing you next year at Reconnect?
For sure, every year. For sure.
Excellent. That's excellent to hear. And Z Empire has a slogan. I'm going to say it and then I'm going to ask you to fill in the blank at the very end with whatever springs to mind, okay?
Yeah.
So, Z Empire, where marketing equals to
Two, easy life or
great
how
business,
yeah, very
sales
good
mostly,
for sure. Yeah,
right?
yeah, for sure.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your
Thank you.
experience here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks again. Done.